See those right there? Is the endosocos. I don't know how to explain it right now. So if we switch international language, sometimes we don't want to translate, they don't understand because every time we translate it, they try to manipulate us. So they're gonna have to bear with our international language and just communicate, you know. They didn't want us to take a purse. So we like taking pictures. Can't capture it though. So here we arrive at the beach. You know where me and my cousin went. They said the water run dry on this side too. There's only a bunch of mountains, and all the are shelters. We can't capture any shelters. Obviously, there's a bunch of mountains when the water run dry. Where we went, the other side of the what are we gonna call it? Go. They say they could call and go by you, but they want to manipulate us with the fish. We we say our password is a pony now. Oh look! What is this?